shit given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like...
What's up guys, welcome back to the video. This is Pink Panda 2JZ. I'm here in the test center. Well, I do not have a binaural microphone. One day I will have one. If this video goes big and you enjoy watching my videos, please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Like if you like the video, like at the end of the video. Don't like beforehand, but like at the end of the video. Please watch the full video. And yes, let's do this, guys. So this is the Bluetooth speaker that I did a video on, and sorry, I'm recording this on my mobile device because I do not have the luxury of a camera. So this is my test studio. I'm not showing you all because it's basically in a little house at the back, but let me show you. So this is your light feature, focus, your back skip, your power button, your mode, your forward skip, and your play and pause button. You do got light action, but that is not sound activated, meaning if the music plays, it does not go according to the music, it just flashes. So that's why I switch it off, because you can't really see the passive radiators doing their job. So guys, if you go move to the back, you'll see you got your aux in on the side, your USB input, your SD slot, and your Type-C power charge port, which is actually very nice for a Bluetooth speaker of this year, 2021. So I picked this up for around about let me guess, $33. $33, you can get something like this. Literally something like this. And for all of you that understands that, I don't know what that means, but I think it says casino or something like that. Casino. But otherwise, guys, we're gonna do a nice sound test for you guys today on this beautiful speaker. Let's do this. So I'll be using an aux in that is playing. So let's plug that in. Love that sound. Sounds good. Plugging it into my microphone, my phone. Please, I advise anybody who's listening, please use headphones to get the full experience. So this is low volume, and it still has a nice amount of bass to it. Let's turn it up a bit. I don't know what volume is that. Can you see the passive radiator starting to move a bit? That's actually a decent volume, and it's quite loud for that volume. It's not even maxed out. Now time for max volume. guys, that was awesome. That was max volume on this Bluetooth speaker for the price. But let's try another song which is already playing. So let's test it out and see how it goes. That's half volume. Max volume. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see any more videos after this, if we can at least hit 10 likes for this video, I will do a teardown of this K77 Bluetooth speaker. So please, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Pink Panda.
Peter Pan,